Hey everyone, I'm out of breath. I bet we got a train coming. I'm so out of breath, dude. Check it out. BNSF, alright. Yeah, that's a BNSF. One. Norfolk Southern, alright. That's a railroad, alright, Montana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 21, 12, 20, 13, 14, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 20, 32, 20 BK, 33, strike, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, road crew, 43, 44, 45, 20, 20, 46, 47, a lot of graffiti on that train. 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. It's so cold outside. 54, 55, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Red 20, 9, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. What kind of stacks are there?
AB hump. Double.
9, I counted 140 double stacks.
Oh boy.
Symbol of that train was BNSF ES44C4 and a Railing Montana Locomotive Blue SD78H unit. The train here originates at Stockton, California. Heads east going to Chicago, north to Corwith Intermodal Yard. Happened on the first day of March 2026 by Tyler McCully, Wide World, Northern, Missouri, BNSF Santa Fe on YouTubeland. Another train video. Roll it.